Top 11 online businesses which are highly profitable and which can be easily started today in 2022, which can change your income scale completely. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. In this video we'll explore top 11 business ideas. You will discover what is required for each of them and how much you can expect to make. We will also include a section detailing the steps to jumpstart your online business idea. As of 2021, over 2.14 billion people have turned to online shopping to fulfill their needs. It's likely because the COVID-19 pandemic has made 40.3% of customers reduce their visits to physical stores. Experts estimate that this trend will reduce their visits to physical stores. Experts estimate that this trend will continue as e-commerce revenues are projected to grow to $5.4 trillion in 2022. If you're considering starting a small business online, now is the perfect time to do so. Number 1. Become a freelancer. A freelancer is hired for a specific project, service, or task by the client. A freelancer works on a variety of projects at the same time but for different clients. Most demand freelancing jobs are graphic design, social media manager and community manager, virtual assistant, website design, writing, copywriting, content marketing, report writing. Freelancers usually create a website to promote their services online. Signing up on work marketplaces like Fiverr and creating a LinkedIn profile can also improve your online presence. Number 2. Become an audiobook narrator. The rising popularity of audiobooks has increased the demand for narrators. An audiobook narrator turns printed and digital writing into audio files. The job is to narrate the story while expressing its nuances. Despite sounding easy, narrating audiobooks require excellent voice clarity and tone control. In some cases, you'll have to change your voice when recording the direct speech of different characters. That's why possessing acting skills will give you an advantage over the competition. Job portal sites, such as Bunny Studio and ACX. Number 3. Offer social media marketing services. This is a great online business idea for those with a strong social media presence. Many small businesses need an expert marketer to reach users in the social media landscape. Social media marketing is basically about you promoting other companies' products or services, and you will get paid for doing so. Popular websites for social media marketing are Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, and Snapchat. Number 4. Offer transcription services. This job is basically about transcribing audio files into text documents. Besides typing speed and accuracy, the niche you pick can also affect your earnings. Medical transcriptionists generally are paid the most, averaging $26 per hour. Be prepared to familiarize yourself with an industry to set a high hourly rate. Check out Rev and Transcribe Me for transcription jobs. Consider taking typing lessons to increase your speed and accuracy. Number 5. Sell stock photos. Stock photographers produce licensed images for a variety of uses. Businesses often incorporate stock images in their marketing campaigns to evoke desired emotions or make the material more appealing. As a result, there are plenty of opportunities available in this industry. To begin, invest in a decent camera and lighting equipment. Research various markets to see what's currently in demand and then optimize your images with relevant keywords. That said, we recommend focusing on a specific niche to strengthen your branding. Stock photography sites like Shutterstock and Getty Images are excellent places for new stock photographers to build a portfolio and following on. Number 6. Start a blog. Starting a blog is one of the most profitable online business ideas. In truth, a successful blog is more than just sharing your thoughts on a subject. Before you get started, remember to focus on the following elements. Niche. It'll be easier to grow your website by focusing on a specific theme rather than covering a wide range of topics. Explore blog ideas for inspiration. Content quality. Producing content that offers a good user experience will turn visitors into loyal readers and rank your blog higher on search engine results pages. Traffic size. Bloggers with high visitor volumes usually have better chances at attracting potential business partners and selling their own products or services. Monetization options. Diversifying your channels to make money with a blog make maximizing profits easier. Popular methods include affiliate marketing, Google Ads, and sponsored content. Number 7. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is an order fulfillment method that does not require a business to keep products in stock. Instead, The store sells the product and passes on the sales order to a third-party supplier, who then ships the order to the customer. Basically, you act as a mediator between the buyer and seller. Every time someone buys or places order from your website, you redirect that order to the ultimate seller, then he delivers that product to buyer directly. The difference between the cost of seller and buyer is your profit. Number 8. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is one of the most affordable online business ideas. An affiliate marketer promotes a brand's products or services by including links to them in their content. The commission rate is based on the number of purchases made through the affiliate link. To begin, sign up on affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Skimlinks, or Hostinger Affiliates. Then, write a blog post relevant to the product you're advertising. The key is to create original content that resonates with the reader's interests. Number 9. Start a podcast. Podcasts have become a popular type of content, particularly among younger demographics. As a consequence, many people take the opportunity to start a business in podcasting. Number 10. Self-publish an ebook. Thanks to the internet, becoming an author no longer requires sending a manuscript to a publisher. Anyone can now sell ebooks through a personal website or self-publishing sites, like Amazon KDP. If you're a blogger, ebooks are great for compiling existing content into one comprehensive guide. The best-selling ebooks topics are business and money, self-help, cookbooks, food and wine, health, fitness and dieting, parenting and relationships. Number 11. Create an online course. This is one of the best online business ideas for anyone interested in sharing their knowledge with others. Many people look for online courses to boost their job market value and gain new experiences. Since the online learning market has become saturated, consider picking a unique subject that others haven't covered yet. Then, conduct market research on whether the subject has a potential target audience. While there is a wide range of hosted course platforms, we recommend creating a website with an LMS plugin. That way, you will have full control over the teaching and monetization methods. There you have it, the 11 best online business ideas to pursue in 2022, each one of them lucrative in its own way. Make sure to consider your skill set, experience, and income expectations when choosing one. That said, becoming a successful internet entrepreneur requires hard work and dedication. Picking an online business idea that aligns with your interests and passion will make the journey less arduous and more rewarding. We hope this video has provided you with a better understanding of the online business world. Best of luck. If you liked this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel so that you get more of such business-related content every